Every once in a while, a project comes along that quietly shifts the ground under an entire scientific field. This new dream database, massive, strangely intimate, and surprisingly accessible, feels like one of those moments. For generations, people have tried to make sense of the weird theater that plays in our heads while we sleep. Most of us have had that odd moment of waking up with a half-fated dream lingering like fog, wondering how on earth our brain produced something so vivid and so bizarre. Now, an international team of researchers has created something completely unprecedented: the largest public collection of brain recordings paired with detailed dream reports. And we're not talking about the usual handful of participants you might get from a typical sleep study. We're talking about decades of data consolidated from labs all around the globe, all organized into a single living resource called Dream. The name is a bit on the nose, I'll admit, but it feels appropriate for something so ambitious. So, why do dreams still matter, perhaps more than we think? They used to be the territory of mystics and poets' omens, prophecies, or half-baked metaphors for the unconscious mind. But once neuroscience matured enough to take them seriously, dreams became a genuine scientific puzzle with real-world implications. Understanding our subjective experiences during sleep has become a way to probe consciousness itself, but from a totally different angle. When you're asleep, you're not interacting with the outside world. You're not receiving normal sensory input. And yet, your brain conjures entire scenes, emotions, and even conversations out of thin air. This tells us something crucial about how the mind constructs reality, even when the body has shut down for the night. Despite that importance, dream research has always been slow-moving and incredibly difficult. Recording someone's brain activity while they sleep is expensive, intrusive, and super time-consuming. A single lab might spend years collecting just a few dozen high-quality datasets. And because every lab tends to do things a little differently, using different equipment, or asking different questions about the dreams, it's been notoriously hard to compare results across studies. This new database changes all of that. We'll dive into what that means right after this. Thanks for watching, and if you're enjoying this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.